everyone, in this video, me and my mom are at a carnival.
Say hi.
Hi. And it's free admission this year for some reason, I believe. Just you usually have to pay.
Oh, really?
Yes. And then after the carnival, there's fireworks, right?
Yeah.
Our second fireworks.
Second fireworks.
Yep.
2022.
So we don't know what we're gonna do when we get in, so stay tuned. For some reason, as soon as we walk in, the world's biggest potato is at the carnival. And it's not real. But it's not every day that you're in front of the world's biggest potato. What do you think of it, Mom? I was like, what is that? I thought it was a rock I thought it was a big rock at first.
I actually think I've seen a commercial about this.
Yeah.
You know, on the highway. So
This is a weird.
I love potato everything. So
Yeah, fried, baked,
mashed.
You know how many people are touching this?
Everybody.
You know how many germs are on there?
You know how many potato pancakes you could make with that potato?
And how many French fries? I mean.
Oh, so good. Yeah.
Let's go.
You want to spin it? You want to spin it? Good. You can fast spin. Grab it.
There.
What did she get?
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yo. Oh!
You got the purple, but it wasn't the right one.
I'll try again. Yeah, I'll try. I'll go again.
Yeah, I might get it, but somebody said something and then it was like, how much money?
It's clear. And they want to take all $10 and put it, that's their win or their loss. Okay.
And if they win, they get 10 prizes.
10 prizes, exactly. One prize per person.
Yeah, last time we did that, they were like giving me a problem. I said, why? That's the money. The winner won and they win? All right. Come on now.
I'll do that.
$1. Ready? Try your luck. Mucho dulce, mucho dulce. Pick a line. $1. She's feeling lucky tonight. Okay. Ready, guys?
Yep.
Think about it. Listen, if you think wrong, you think wrong, okay?
Yep.
Gotta just do it. Ready? I like that cup. Did you win that? Got it. Okay. That's nice.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, we ready?
Yep.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
now,
go.
you gotta think positive, okay? Think the color, think the month. Winner, chicken dinner!
Come on. Woo!
I like to give candy away. Come on, we got a winner. I'm not looking.
No.
A winner! What did you get? Libra. No.
Try one more time.
She's determined. She's determined.
Okay, right
She's
there.
determined. She ain't gonna All right, these guys over there trying to strategize over there. Those two. And you know what? They're gonna put their chip and they're gonna win. Love you. They've been standing watching and watch. They're gonna win. I have a feeling. All right, come on. $1. You want that candy? $1. Ready? Not only did they strategize, and then they give me coins. Right. And they're gonna win. Watch. Ready?
Come on.
Ready? On your mark. Think of it. Chicken dinner.
Woo!
Here we go. All right, come on. We got a winner. I know we got a winner.
Oh, no.
Spicy. No price. Oh, Virgo.
So we're sitting down now. I got chicken fingers and fries, and I got a Pepsi. see. Mom, what do you get?
Delicious French fries with the work and an Italian sausage sandwich. Yay!
Are you nice and warm now? Are you nice and warm now? I like those. Those are nice. We got a very good seat for this too. I thought it was gonna be like all the way down there. There's a lot of people here tonight. Yeah. Yeah, I really like the little, what's it called? The spirals. And my mom's taking a video.
I'm taking a video.
Woo! Goodbye, oversized baked potato. Maybe one day we will do your tour.
Sure does look real.
You can sign up for a 10-minute tour. Oh wait, no, that's for the church. It's a big helping for Idaho potatoes, supporting local causes nationwide. So it's just a big advertisement, basically.
It is, but you know, it's cool.
What?
Potatoes.
Do you think potatoes are the #1 consumed vegetable?
It's really consumed a lot. In fact, in Ireland many years ago, they had lost their potato crop, and due to that, there was like a lot of famine. A lot of people starving because this is what they lived off of.
How many French fries do you think that potato
Oh my God.
can be?
There's no way.
Millions.
Millions.
You can make that into a house if that was real.
Absolutely.
Potato house.
So big. So big.
Trust me. The fireworks were fun and the food was really good. Mom, what was your favorite part? What was your favorite part?
The Italian sausage sandwich and the fireworks.
And my other favorite part was the giant fake potato. I like stuff like that. The oddities
That was
and
unique.
the what's it called? Is it novelty things?
Yes.
Novelty. I like stuff like that. So we're gonna go now. Like and subscribe for new videos, and I'll catch you next video. Bye. Mom, say bye.